How financially stable is Ally Bank? Are you considering Ally Bank for your financial needs? Wondering if it's a safe and reliable option? Let's dive into the details and assess Ally Bank's financial stability. Ally Bank, a digital-only bank, has gained significant popularity in recent years. Its user-friendly interface, competitive interest rates, and fee-free checking accounts have attracted a large customer base. But, as with any financial institution, it's crucial to evaluate its financial health and stability. In this video, we'll delve into Ally Bank's financial performance, regulatory oversight, and customer protection measures to determine its stability. 1. Ally Bank's financial performance. Profitability. Discuss Ally Bank's consistent profitability over the years. Highlight its strong revenue streams, including interest income and fee income. Asset quality. Explain the bank's prudent lending practices and low loan default rates. Discuss its effective risk management strategies. Capital adequacy. Highlight Ally Bank's strong capital position, exceeding regulatory requirements. Explain how this capital cushion protects depositors in case of financial distress. 2. Regulatory oversight. FDIC insurance. Emphasize that Ally Bank is FDIC insured, ensuring the safety of deposits up to $250,000 per depositor, per ownership category. Regulatory compliance. Discuss Ally Bank's adherence to federal and state banking regulations. Highlight any recent regulatory actions or penalties, if applicable. 3. Customer protection. Security measures. Explain Ally Bank's robust security measures, including encryption technology and fraud prevention tools. Discuss its customer support and dispute resolution processes. Customer satisfaction. Share insights from customer reviews and ratings. Highlight Ally Bank's commitment to excellent customer service. 4. Comparing Ally Bank to traditional banks. Pros and cons of digital banking. Discuss the benefits of digital banking, such as convenience and lower fees. Highlight potential drawbacks, such as limited in-person banking options. Ally Bank's competitive advantage. Explain how Ally Bank's focus on technology and customer experience sets it apart from traditional banks. 5. Future outlook for Ally Bank. Industry trends. Discuss the impact of digital transformation and changing consumer preferences on the banking industry. Analyze how Ally Bank is positioned to capitalize on these trends. Potential risks and challenges. Identify potential risks, such as economic downturns or cyber attacks. Discuss Ally Bank's strategies to mitigate these risks. Based on its strong financial performance, robust regulatory oversight, and commitment to customer protection, Ally Bank appears to be a financially stable institution. Its digital-only model offers convenience and competitive rates, making it an attractive option for many consumers. However, it's essential to consider your individual financial needs and risk tolerance before making a decision. As with any financial institution, it's wise to diversify your investments and monitor Ally Bank's performance over time. If you're considering Ally Bank, I encourage you to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor. You can also visit Ally Bank's website to learn more about its products and services. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.